When I was a little girl, I always remember looking up at the sky with my telescope and knowing that it was something that I wanted to be a part of. Little did I know that I would be working to develop a technology that, among other things, would enable space travel like multi-material rocket nozzles. But I came from very humble beginnings, and I wouldn't be here without the support and love from some very powerful women in my life. So I'd like to thank my mom, my grandma, my aunties, and my entire family. I'd also like to thank my little girls, my boss babes, and my dance mom friends. You have always been my biggest cheerleaders, and you all keep me going. I'd also like to thank my partner in crime, Jeff, and the entire team at FormAlloy for making the future of manufacturing possible. Now I'd like to leave with one final quote, and this was a quote that I heard in high school, and I thought, hey, that's pretty cool, I'm gonna kind of keep that. But then early in my career, when I was asked what my favorite quote was, and I stated it, I was told that maybe I should pick something more appropriate. But I think we're amongst friends here, and I think it's important that we celebrate as women when we accomplish something and we have power, and it's okay to celebrate that, and it's okay to dream high and make it happen. So I would like all of you tonight to do a toast to yourself for all the things that you've accomplished and all the things that you'll accomplish in the future by saying the following. Vini, vidi, vici. I came, I saw, I conquered. Thank you so much to the Society of Women Engineers, and thank you, Stacy, for the nomination.